channel. Today I'm back with some more lip creams and they are by NYX. I have 3 from this range and I'm going to talk about the packaging, the formula, the shade and everything else. So let's get started. I got these lip creams, like 2 I got it from the store, Sephora Mumbai, and this one I got it online from Flipkart. I'm going to mention the prices below in the description box so you can just go through. So if I talk about the packaging, I truly adore the packaging. Like they are true to its color. Whatever color you can see from the packaging, that's what they are from inside, and that is what I just adore. So it is very easy to choose. If you go to some store and you just have to look at the color, okay, I want this, I'm gonna try it. So that way it is very easy. Then if I talk about the fragrance, I love the fragrance. Like it's, for some people it may be little bit more, but for me it is average. Like I can bear it, and then it also disappears after a while. It has a nice coconut kind of smell with a hint of vanilla essence, and that is quite okay for me. So that was about the fragrance and packaging. And if I talk about the applicator, it is very easy to apply using this applicator. So I'll talk about the shade 08 Sand Paul. I truly like this shade a lot. It's a nice Barbie pink, but it's not typical Barbie pink kind of where you feel washed out after applying, but it's a pretty nice Barbie pink that will suit everybody. Medium to fair, medium to dark, to almost everybody. So this is what it looks like. It is very pigmented, like just one swipe and you're good to go. I truly adore this shade a lot out of all 3 I have. So that was about Sand Paul. The next is Amsterdam 01 Amsterdam. This is a very unique shade. It's not pink, it's not orange, it's not red nor brown, nothing, but it's a beautiful unique shade with a lot of orange and red undertones, but still it's a pink. And this is a kind of neon, not typically neon, but then it may look like a neon pink on some people, and some people it may look like a neon orange with red undertone. To suit to dark skin tone people, it will look superb on fair to medium or medium skin tone people. Again, it's very pigmented and a very pretty unique shade. Then the next one is 21 Transylvania. As I told you, I got it online. I was really confused at first. Like it was like a risk for me if I want to buy it or not. But then I took a chance and I got it. So the day it arrived, I was like, oh my god, is it a black? But then after applying it and checking it out, I came to know that it's not black, but it's a really nice plummy shade with dark purple undertone and very pretty. Like it is perfect for winters and anybody can wear it. Skin like fair to medium, medium to dark, it will suit everybody. But you can wear it during winters a lot. It's like no makeup, you don't even have to put eyeliner, and you just have to apply this lip cream and you're good to go. So that was all about the shades. If I have to talk something about this lip creams that I don't really appreciate much, would be that you have to be really very careful with the application. Though the applicator is nice, very easy to apply, but still sometimes you may tend to smudge it here from the corner of your lips, and this lip creams may bleed a little. If you apply, like over product is there on your lips, then it may bleed. So you have to be very careful with the application, otherwise it's superb. Like it doesn't transfer much, doesn't smudge if it has dried already. So basically it is good even if you are having something very oily. It will transfer a little, but then there would be very pigmented stains still left over. So it's like it stays for really long, like decent 6 to 7 hours. And the very positive thing about this is that it doesn't make your lips feel flaky. Like flakiness is just not there when you apply these lip creams, though they are matte. So that's something very surprising for me, and I truly love all of these. So if you ask me which one would be my most favorite, I would say Sand Paul, and then the second would be Amsterdam, and then definitely for winters I'll go for Transylvania. So basically all 3 are my favorites, and I highly recommend it to everybody. So that was all about these lip creams. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you really enjoyed, please give it a big thumbs up, and you can subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. You can also send feedbacks or suggestions in the comments below. And till then, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.